Yo, welcome back to the channel Crypto Goats. We are going to be diving down into the one and only ICP. We're talking about Internet Computer. We're going to be diving down into this overall project. Not only that, but talking about the charts and the importance of keeping eyes on this one long term. So let's go ahead and dive right into it. Now, if we take a look here, you guys can see ICP over the previous month currently up 170%. You guys, that is big. We're talking about $13.45. You guys can see over the past month, this came from about $5. And if I'm correct, I believe we had a low technically around like $3. So if you got into this, then you're absolutely killing it. If you guys already know, ICP definitely down massively from where it first started trading, around $400. The market cap was way up here around like 50 billion. So far, you guys still looking pretty sus, but we're starting to get close up there again around that 1 billion mark. You guys can actually see it right there. It does state that the market cap, you know, looking at this current moment, it does state that the market cap is over 6 billion. Okay, so it is over 6 billion. We got some nice volume here. We got circulating supply of 450 million tokens, which is actually pretty low. And the total supply is 512 million, right? Which is good. So you guys need to understand ICP gaining a lot of attention. Yes, it had a massive sell-off as stated a long time ago, right? But it does look good right now. Okay, now you can purchase this in many different places. As you guys can see, I mean, Coinbase, one of the biggest. If we take a look here, you guys will see that they do have Twitter. Make sure you're following them for the latest news, latest updates, latest announcements, right? Which is important. And if you guys don't remember, ICP had a lot of people backing it. And technically, there's still a lot of people backing it, right? So, chain key cryptography is a toolbox advanced cryptographic mechanism on ICP using threshold signature scheme. You guys will see that there's a lot of stuff here being offered by ICP, right? So it is definitely changing the crypto game. Not only that, but if we dive down, you guys can see we have this nice little chart here. This is for the short-term trend. We're taking a look at the 2-hour time frame, and you guys will see we have a low here, higher low here, which is good. We also are above this blue squiggly line, which is 200 EMA. Whenever price action is above it, it is considered bullish. So you guys will see that we are currently in this uptrending channel. Every single time that the price action hits above this channel, we normally get rejected and sell off, which is what has happened. Now, short term, you guys will see that we do have a small descending resistance at this current moment. So we're going to have to keep our eyes on ICP. Good possibility might be coming back down and back test this area, which is 1340. There should be some support there. Maybe a little bit of support around $13. If we break that, we're going to be looking for support around this 200 EMA, and hopefully we can keep our overall trend to the upside. Now, long term, I will tell you, ladies and gents, let's see if we can actually take a look at the daily chart here. Long term, you guys will see that our next key level areas, if we happen to continue to the upside, are going to be up here in these areas, right? So we do have our next strong resistance. Technically, there should be a gap up here. But we do have our next strong resistance around this $16, $16.50 area. And you guys will even see we do have another gap up, which is going to be technically somewhere around probably this area, which is going to be around probably 15 or 1950, excuse me. So 1950. So we definitely need to keep our eyes on ICP. There's a good chance we're going to be looking for this thing to consolidate. So what do we mean by that? Well, we're looking for a possible trade sideways and then continuation to the upside long term. So keep eyes on ICP, guys. Do I think it's possible for it to get back up to this massive valuation of over $50 billion? Well, it's going to take some time for one. And for two, we got to get a lot more adoption, a lot more credibility for the project. So let us know what you guys think about ICP.